Hi, how are you?
What time did you leave?
We're leaving at 2 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
2 o'clock.
2.
Yes, 2 p.m.
Okay.
Hey, thank you. You have a great day.
Morning. Okay.
Welcome to the Hilton Hotel at the Los Angeles International Airport. This is a corner room on the 14th floor. This corner room overlooks Century Boulevard, the gateway to the Los Angeles International Airport. Throughout the room, you will find multiple power outlets as well as USB outlets for all of your electronic gadgets. Fresh coffee is available and an ice machine is near the elevator. This is a great place to catch all of the action on the south runways, including the Little Fire Station, the cargo terminals, as well as Century Boulevard. The bathroom is slightly larger than the standard room. It features a single vanity. This tub shower combo has outstanding hot water pressure. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos from around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'm Greg Smith.